Welcome to IDI Laser Services technical webinar on our low-stress dot marking machines. My name is Richard and I will be your host this afternoon. Today, I'll be covering what low-stress marking is, its various applications, as well as our low-stress dot marking solutions on offer. To start off, let's first talk about low-stress marking. Low-stress marking utilizes a stylus with an impact pin to produce etching or marking on a variety of materials. The machines employed utilize air pressure to drive a 100% carbide pin into a material with no heat involved. Low-stress marking is generally divided into two distinct categories: dot pin marking and scribe marking. Dot pin marking is a form of durable marking via pneumatic or electronic oscillation of a full carbide pin moving along both the X and Y axis. This marking technique places single dots close to one another and minimizes the effects of marking force on the material itself. Secondly, the low-stress marking can also take place in the form of scribe marking, wherein the carbide or diamond marking pin is pressed into the material and moved by a cartridge. This results in fast, high quality and highly flexible marking. Low pressure marking is achieved via different pin type angles and pre-programmed dot spacing. This sort of marking is applicable to a variety of products that may experience fracturing, cracking or damage if either high pressure or heat is introduced. Low stress marking also leaves permanent marks as well as etch at different depths. Dot pin marking is suitable for many materials as well, being able to mark and etch plastic, wood, steel among others. As such, this low-stress dot marking is useful for varieties of applications such as direct part marking or DPM, and low-stress machines used in industries such as aerospace, oil and gas, automotive, marine and offshore, and so on and so forth. As part of IDI Laser Services' commitment to provide comprehensive solutions for all industrial needs, we have partnered with Mercator, a German dot marking machine manufacturer. We are the sole distributor of Mercator products in Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Philippines, and of course Singapore. Mercator is a manufacturing company founded in 1984, located in Louisburg near Stuttgart. With a capital amount of US $350,000, the company, which is privately owned, has around 30 employees, and they are responsible for producing a variety of high-quality marking machines. Our Mercator machines can produce 2T data matrices, and Mercator products guarantee deep marking with 2-layer coatings. Mercator machines have also seen applications such as nameplate markings with their tabletop marking system known as the net marker. This net marker has a marking window of 100 by 100 mm, and it can mark data matrix and alphanumeric text. Furthermore, we also have installed a variety of handheld marking systems. This battery handheld system is highly portable and it does not require any air supply or electrical power supply to mark. And here are some samples marking from our Mercator machines. One especially unique application of our system is helping users condense data into easily accessible forms via marking QR codes. One such application is in injection nozzle data capture for ECU, engine control storage. For injection nozzles, every specific injection nozzle has a different rate of flow of fuel. Low pressure marking allows for QR codes filled with data on the specific nozzle type to be printed directly onto the fuel nozzles themselves, therefore allowing the ECU to calculate data and optimize the flow of fuel in the engine more effectively. Here is a list of customers we have worked previously with. In conclusion, low-stress dot marking machines have a variety of applications, and we here at IDI Laser offer a variety of low-stress marking solutions for DPM and other applications in a variety of industries. Our products produce high quality marking that is durable and non-damaging to a variety of materials. Our machines are user-friendly and easy for operator to pick up and use. Thank you for tuning in to our presentation. We will now proceed to the technical demo video of our Mercator products.